All right, we're in the Christmas zone here, and we got a great eggnog drink to taste out today.
Yeah, this is a drink I made all month long last year. It was on repeat almost every night because it's 2 ingredients. If you want to get fancy, you can add a third. But I like it both cold and warm. Either one, it works really well. What I wasn't able to get was the Chobani brand eggnog, which is my favorite vegan eggnog. Instead, we're going to use Almond Breeze eggnog. I'm sure it's just as tasty, it just won't be as creamy.
Yeah.
And so I like to mix it with the Ritual Rum. You can also mix it with any of the alternative whiskeys, which can be Kentucky 74. Their spiced whiskey would be a really good option, I think. The Ritual whiskey, we're going to mix it with Ritual Rum today. And in this mixture, we've got Madagascar vanilla, molasses, star anise, ripe banana, bitter orange, Tupelo honey, toasted cinnamon, fresh ginger, clove, and charred apricot.
Yeah, and we're pretty big fans of the whole Ritual line. We're going to do a little taste test first because I don't think we've done this on camera, but we generally like their products quite a bit. They're a good price point and they have a really nice flavor profile.
Yeah, they have those warming spices in here, the ginger and the clove.
Yeah, totally sippable.
Yeah,
by itself.
It has just enough sweetness. It's got that nice spice in there. This is probably out of all of the Ritual spirits, this is the one I would just sip on its own if you wanted to.
My wife really likes this a lot too, so.
It's so good. All right.
Okay.
Now, this is a, make it up as you go kind of drink. You just kind of add in what you think you would want. I'm going to do 4 ounces of the nog to 2 ounces of the rum to start with, and we'll see how that works.
And what is your favorite Christmas movie? Mine is, I'm historically a fan of The Christmas Story, of course. Love it. It always makes me laugh. However, Hogfather's Christmas, which is Terry Pratchett's Discworld, it's pretty funny. Totally alternative twist on the Christmas kind of story, but a lot of fun on Netflix.
I am a big watcher of all of the Hallmark movies that come out, as well as anything that Netflix decides to put out in December, I will watch. You know what? I think I'm going to froth this up a little bit. So, my new toy, milk frother. Been using it in my matcha lattes. And let's see, I'm just going to froth this up real quick.
Yeah, these little guys are super handy.
It's very fun. It's very quiet, which is great. It's getting there.
It is.
It's not too bad. All right, Almond Breeze.
You've been tested. Wow. I'm surprised.
Just a little bit of cinnamon on top. A little bit of the clove. And that's it. Super simple, easy holiday drink.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
I got a lot of foam in there.
Did you?
Yeah.
You need some...
I'm good. No?
Okay.
It's fine.
It is nice and light and frothy.
And
that rum comes in nicely. I might even add a little bit more to mine just because I love that flavor. And again, it's to your taste, so however much you want.
And now your designated driver doesn't have to feel left out. You can be an excellent host and give them a tasty beverage. And then if you have guests who don't want to keep drinking but don't want to drink alcohol, this is a great alternative.
Yeah, and you can find Ritual now at the Boisson location in San Francisco. You can find them at the Nob Hill, actually, here in Alameda. I found a bottle yesterday, and it was on sale for $25. They will also have the tequila there. Let's see, Bevmo sometimes carries Ritual. Whole Foods sometimes carries Ritual. So it's kind of gone a little bit more mainstream with the grocery stores, and I'm really glad to see some of the grocery stores have a non-alcoholic section. It's small, maybe just a shelf, but it's a start, something.
Yep. And, this is a great all-purpose base to a lot of different drinks. So, 25 or how much?
Well, if you can find it for $25, that's a really good deal. It's usually around $28.99 to $32, somewhere in that range. If you buy it online, you can get it, as part of like free shipping, or like a package. If you get all the bottles from Ritual, they'll give you a price break on it. It's definitely a spirit that I always have on my bar or in my fridge, because it's my favorite, I think, out of the four.
Yeah. We keep going back to it again and again. So, drinkability, 85, 8.5.
Oh no, it's always 10. 10 for me.
10? Okay.
My two favorite things, eggnog and rum. It's dessert. It's just dessert to me.
Everybody out there, stay safe. Hope you have a great holiday season. And we'll see you next year.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow, that's perfect.
Right? I'm very happy with that. I'm very happy with my frother. I do. I definitely put, it's almost like 1-to-1, my ratio. Some people might not want as much.
Yeah.
But I like it. It's not bad, the Almond Nog. It's not as rich as the Chobani.
I was surprised how much it frothed up.
Yeah. Me too.
Cool.
Yeah, I love my little frother. Thing is amazing.
Yeah.
And it's quiet enough that it doesn't bother Diesel.
The foamy, frothy, yeah, I like that.
And in a fancy glass, why not? Sweet, literally.
The official drug of Christmas is sugar.
No, but according to Whole Foods, it's alcohol.
Yeah.
As soon as you walk in that store, every single end cap has alcohol. It's incredible.
That's too bad.
They just push it so hard.
Yeah.
They know that you go into a party. They're like, well, here you go.
Hey, everybody, get some champagne, get some whatever. Yep, don't miss it at all.
I mean, happy everyone has so many options, but we need more options.
Yeah, definitely.